C-Way, Colombian Way. A1 short story. Tips for traveling alone. Traveling alone seems scary if it's the first time you are going to leave the comfort of home. You will probably think about the potential risks or difficult situations. What happens if I get ill or have an accident? Isn't it dangerous to go out alone at night? What happens if I get attacked? Isn't it strange to eat at restaurants alone all the time? Most travelers have these worries and more before their first trip alone. But all these fears disappear when they see all the benefits of this great experience. Here I'm going to give you 3 tips on how to travel alone and have a good time. First, speak the language. Humans are sociable creatures. We all need to talk to other people. If you are traveling alone, it's a good idea to go somewhere you speak the language. Tip number 2. Sleep with the locals. Sleep with the locals. Hotels are comfortable but very lonely, and hostels are perfect for people who traveled alone, but you will only speak with other tourists. Try to rent a room in an apartment. This will give you a connection with the local residents, and they can give you a lot of tips on what you can do. 3. Don't be shy. Don't be afraid of asking. Ask for directions in the street, or ask about the place, the culture, or the customs to the local people that you find in bars, parks, etc. You will be surprised how much people like to talk about their town or their culture. Remember, you are alone. Asking can be an effective way to start a conversation and meet new people. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button, and if you want more, please don't hesitate to subscribe. See you next time.